So now let's talk about the section 4. In this video I will give you all the general information you need to know and what to expect from this section. So as we have seen in the previous videos, the section 1 and 2 are connected. Specifically, the section 2 is the reinforcement of the section 1. In this case, again, section 3 and 4 are connected, and the section 4 is the reinforcement of the section 3. In the section 4, we will have a monologue. The topic will be more formal, academic, a bit more sophisticated, and with many technicalities. It will be very similar to a lecture, so there will be only one person talking about a specific topic, which can be, for example, psychology, and this person can be talking about the different theories and the different psychologies, or it can be related to medicine. So as you can see and understand, there are many specific vocabularies that you need to know. So you need to know specific terms. In order to develop a broader vocabulary, there will be definitely a video on all the vocabulary you need to know to get a good grades at the IELTS listening, but I will strongly advise you to read a few articles about, for example, medicine or psychology or aeronautics, or just the newspaper in English. There you will get so many information, and you will start getting used to some of the topics and of the words that will be used in the IELTS listening section 4. In general, the IELTS listening will test your ability to take notes, and as you know, this is really crucial if you're going to university, but also if you're going to work, because you need to have a bigger picture of the context of the topic of the IELTS and really know when to go into details and answering more detailed questions. So you start from a bigger picture and you focus then on specific details. Knowing the bigger picture will help you also when you may miss a question, which is completely normal. So when you miss that detail, if you have a broader understanding of the topic, you may be more able to guess, and your guess may be the right answer. The IELTS listening will also prepare you to the hours and hours of lectures and seminars you will attend at university, or for your work meeting that you will have with your future company. So it's very important to take this as an opportunity to start overcoming small challenges, which are the normal part of everyday life, and get ready for all the opportunities that you will have studying abroad or working abroad. Be aware that the fourth section is the most difficult one. Doesn't mean you won't be able to do it, it just means that you will have to practice a bit more. So don't worry if the first two sections you do it very easily and then you get stuck a bit more in the third and the fourth question. And don't worry if some type of question are harder for you and some are easier. That's completely normal. We all have weaknesses and strengths. Just recognize those weaknesses and try to do more exercises specifically to fill that gaps. When after these videos you want to start your training for the IELTS listening, always listen to the recording once. Always create the same environment as you will have in the exam. So in the first few times that you will do the exercise, you may not understand anything. That's again very normal. Just practice, practice and practice, and recreate a similar environment to the exam. So listen one section after the other and only listen at them once, and that will be the same as in your official IELTS exam. In the next videos, I'm going to talk about all the strategies and tips that you need to get a high score in the IELTS listening.